Hey guys, welcome to Bitwala Candles and welcome to our very first episode. My name is Zarina and I'm here to provide you with the latest crypto news and market price updates. Today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin reaching the highest hash rate ever, while the mining difficulty is at an all-time high as well. We're gonna cover Chainlink spike in price and interest, Binance rolling out crypto card for the European market, and finally we're gonna take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart. Alright you guys, let's start with the Bitcoin hash rate that once again reached a new all-time high as accumulation of Bitcoin continues. After halving in May when the mining subsidy was reduced to 6.25 Bitcoin per block, hash rate dropped as well. It has since gained momentum and reached 125 exahash per second. On Monday, network difficulty to mine Bitcoin spiked to 17 trillion, making it the largest difficulty metric ever. Next up, Chainlink, the token that seems to outperform all others in the past few days. It is now number 5 cryptocurrency by market cap, and there is a lot of buzz surrounding it. Chainlink price went up 96% after it broke out of the triangle pattern, and it is now worth around $7 US. After reaching its peak, Link showed a 13% correction, while talks about $100 or even $1,000 target are still going on. At evaluation of $2.5 billion and seeing almost $1 billion of market turnover in the past 24 hours, we anticipate a strong move as traders either attempt to buy against empty order books or trigger massive correction in the cascade of take profits. Now let's talk about Binance's announcement to release debit card for the European market. Users in the European Economic Area should be able to apply for a card this August. Powered by Swipe, which Binance acquired last week, the card will allow users to pay with crypto at any merchants that support Visa payments. Initially based in China, Binance since moved its headquarters to Malta and first tested cards in Vietnam and Malaysia. Now let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is currently experiencing low volatility and low trading volume. The price action is stalling between the 20 and 50-day moving averages. Biggest target to the downside, retest and support of the falling wedge is now at around $8,800, with the 100-day moving average looking to offer support at $8,900. Breaking out of the pattern to the upside would mean $9,800 as initial target and possibly up to $10,000 if bulls really take over. And this is what we have for you today. Please subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Bitwala is the easiest way to invest and earn on cryptocurrencies directly from your Bitwala bank account. Buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum with just a 1% trading fee, or earn interest rate by holding your coins inside the Bitcoin interest account. With instant liquidity, you can cash out your crypto and spend euro using your Bitwala debit card free at most ATMs worldwide. All this and more inside your very own German bank account.